Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, let's try to learn how to create flag animation. Yeah, I will have ready with the skin. Yeah, skin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I use this illustration with 3 weight and divide 2 heads. Yeah, our flag, Indonesian flags, have size 3 and 2 high. Yeah, and we can adjust about I use 300 pixel and height 100 pixel, and then the bottom same size with the top. Okay, I will try to teach all of you how to create the frame number 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I use node offset 100 pixel. Okay. And then I will try to take this and then Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I move here and then combine this range, combine. After that, connect, use freehand like this. Okay, and then I take shape 2 and to make a look like a wave. Okay, that's it. Cover. Okay, that's it. Yeah, and then I take a red. After that, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Yeah, and then move down and give white color. Okay, that's it. Okay, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I want to make a well like this, no color, and then I increase the outline like this. After that, here no outline, and then I move this illustration. Yeah, and then I copy the background, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, like this, and then order to back. That's it. Yeah, finish. Create frame number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you wish. You create how many frame do you want to create? Yeah, many frame it will make a smoothly. Yeah, okay, and then I take this. After that, export. It's the frame number 1. Okay, remember, selected only, export. Okay, 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 that's finished. Yeah, after that we can layout, maybe on Photoshop, layout maybe on Flash. Yeah, maybe on Animate, or as you wish to use application to make animation. Okay, now I will try to layout on animate. Okay, I will stop sharing first. I will share the the animate. I use animate CC 2080. Yeah. Okay, I will try to create with this, yeah, action strip 3. Okay, the default size is 550 state width pixel and height 400 state height pixel. Okay, before we create less of this size. Okay, let's try. I will to click file and then import to stage. I will find the JPEG export from Corel Draw, animation flag. Okay, animation. After that, I choose number 1, then open. Okay. Oh, ini for number 1. Okay. Wait a minute. Where is the? Okay, number 1. Sorry. Yeah. After that, we can copy this frame. Yeah. Function number 6. Yeah. And then delete. You can import the stage number 3, number 2, and then copy and then change to number 3. Yeah, number 3. Function 6. Okay, number 4. Okay, then copy. Okay, number 6. Import number 6. Number 5. Sorry, number 5, and then okay, the last. Okay, file, import to stage 5, 6. Okay, that's it. And if we want to see, control enter. Okay, look like this. If we want to make a slow, of Movely, we can change the frame of rate. Yeah, maybe a half, maybe 12, I think, and then control enter. Yeah, you can see the movement of this flag. Yeah, but it's not smooth. The smooth. If you want to make it smooth, you must back to number 6, 5. Yeah, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try. Okay, I will do copy first. Function 6. After that, you can import again number 5. Yeah. Okay, don't replace. Yeah, don't replace. Okay, after that, function 6. and then delete, and then import number 4, don't replace, and then function 6, number 3, import to number 3, don't replace, function 6, number 2, import, okay, number 2, don't replace, okay, let's try, okay, 1 2 3 replace, okay, and then number 1 again, yeah, okay, number 1 again, okay, let's try, control enter, yeah, that's it, yeah, it's smooth movely. Okay, let's try. If we want to make the 6, control enter. Okay, maybe we can modify, yeah, this point, make a smooth, or you can modify with new skin, yeah, with new skin as you wish. Make a frame by frame, okay, now make a frame by frame and then export to GIF, yeah, okay, I will export first, export to, okay, sorry, that's the move. I want to export to okay, let's GIF, yeah, the GIF, okay, then here flag animation, and then we can use on web, on PowerPoint and others. Okay, thank you for watching, see you on next session, thank you. See you soon, Sobat Tris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.